Everyone, this is Lori, and in this video I'm going to be talking about Qmee, and then I'm going to go into some more apps that pay you to do various things, and they are all legit, and so I'll get to that in just a minute. But I wanted to do an updated video about Qmee and let you know that it still works. I still use it. I currently have 52 cents that I've accumulated from just doing searches. Now with Qmee you can make money from completing surveys. What I don't like about the surveys is that you have to qualify for them, and I have yet to qualify for any of their surveys, so I really don't even waste my time on them. But I do use the search extension. It's a Chrome extension that you can install, and whenever you go out to Google or whichever search engine you're using, Bing, it works on Amazon, I believe, eBay. You can do searches like, and you don't want to do a bunch of searches because that'll flag Qmee. So you just want to do natural searches, okay? Like, let's say home improvement. Let's see what comes up. See if anything comes up. Home improvement stores. Okay, let's type in Home Depot. Okay, it worked earlier. Let's see, Lowe's. Alright, okay, here we go. Okay, so it's not giving me any money, but it's giving me codes for different things. Now, when I was using it earlier, I typed in Home Depot and it came up. It gave me 4 cents for 2 different stores, so that was 8 cents that I made. But since then, I haven't really been able to get any websites to show up with money. They're usually just codes and stuff like that. So you want to be careful. You don't want to try to do too many searches because it will flag the Qmee system and it won't give you any opportunity to make money. So you want to do it sparingly, and you want it to be as natural as possible. There's sometimes I'll do searches and I won't even expect to have anything come back, and I'll be surprised, to get something that I could click on and make up to 5 cents. Okay, so it does work. Once again, there's my 52 cents. If I wanted to cash out now, I could. There is no minimum. You can also refer people. You get 3 different types of referrals. You can give to a charity, you could share it with a friend, or you could keep 100% of the reward. And then whenever one of your referrals cashes out for the first time only, you can be rewarded with $1. Okay? That's the first time only, so it won't be repetitive. Alright, so see my history. This is my account, by the way. I've cashed out $50. I've had this for, I don't know, 2 or 3 years. At least till back, let's see how far it goes back. Okay, so I've been with this since 2015. So I've been with it for 4 years. So it's not a lot of money. I've seen people make videos claiming that you can make, hundreds of dollars with Qmee. You could probably make, if you could get approved for their surveys, if you're in that demographics that you get a lot of surveys, then of course you could make more money. Okay, or you can make money from your referrals when they cash out for the first time. But this is one of those that you're not going to make a lot of money. I don't care what anybody says. You're just not going to make tons of money. Okay. Now, there are some other apps that I like. One is called Kidazzler. It's a parenting app, And what you could do is you could join as a contributor and add businesses that are kid friendly or that are kids activities related businesses. And if those businesses decide to pay Kidazzler to advertise on their directory, their business directory, then you can get paid. And I wrote a pretty extensive review that you can look at, and I'll leave the links to everything I'm talking about down in the description of this video. Okay, another one is Qmee. This is where you just answer simple questions. They're called stacks, and you could get 40 to 50, 60 points per stack. If you invite people, you can make 100 points. And then you cash out once you get up to, I think it's 2,100 points or something. I can't remember. I have cashed out before. Let me see something here. Okay, it's 2,500 points for a $25 Amazon gift card is what I got. So 2,500. And again, you know, you have to stay on top of it, so you definitely want to have the notifications activated so you'll be alerted when there's a stack, because they do expire. But I have received my $25 gift code from Amazon. Qmee is one that I like as well. I've cashed out twice. You have to have a minimum of $15, but what you do is you answer questions via video. And it's really easy. I love it. Don't worry about how you look. Don't worry about your video. As long as you answer the questions and you're not really shaky and there's no background noise, then they should approve it. That's another one that I really like. Q1 is okay. It's not one of my favorites. I've made $4.75 from answering questions and referrals. Ibotta is a great one. I love it. Get cash back on groceries that you've bought. Coupons.com is another one that's good. And I've made about, this is an old image. I've made a couple more dollars since this. I don't make a lot. Okay, Coin Out is another one. What you do is you scan your receipt, and then if there's anything that is applicable, you'll get money for it. This is my favorite one. This is iMoney, and you download and test out apps for up to 3 minutes. This is for iPhones only, US only. But I've done very well on this. I've made a couple $100 on this, and that's one of my favorite. And then there's some trivia games that I play a little bit here and there when I have time. And I want to go back up. And my favorite apps are the Ibotta, and I have all the information here. iMoney Tom Ask is another one. That's the one where you download the apps and test them. It's for US and iPhone only. Qmee is for iPhone only. SurveyMonkey Rewards is for both iOS and Android devices. I cashed out at $21.50, and I think right now I've got like $18 that I'll be cashing out pretty soon. There's some things on Amazon I want to get. And then here's the other one, that's Qmee. That's for both iOS and Android devices. And there's the video about it. So, again, Qmee is still good. You can still get paid through PayPal And let's see. Yeah, gift cards or charity. So I usually go with PayPal or gift cards because I don't really make that much to give that much to charity. But you can if you want. Okay, and then you can split it with your friend or whatever, or you can keep it 100%. So I'll leave the description for everything, or links to my articles down in the description of this video. Check them out. I'll leave the link for my Qmee referrals. If you want to sign up through Qmee and start making money, you can also, there's an app. Let me go out to, yeah, this is for Google or Android, and then there's an app for Apple. And then, of course, the desktop. So please use my referrals if you decide to, my referral links if you decide to sign up for anything. Thanks for watching, and good luck to you, and I hope you'll like, subscribe, and share.